Hello, Isolation Art School. I'm Trista. I'm a Taiwanese children's book illustrator and children's book writer. I'm currently live in Brighton, the UK. I hope you're doing well during this quarantine. And it's not really fun, is it? So today we are going to do something fun. And I'm going to show you how to make a mix and match book with your own characters. So this is mine. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So yeah, let's get it started. Firstly, we are going to fold the paper in half. Then take your scissors to cut the paper. Now we have 6 pieces of paper. Then we are saving 2 centimeters margin for the book binding. If you want to use your fingers to measure it, it's probably like 2 or 3 fingers wide. Depends on how thick your fingers are. Make 2 marks to divide the space for head, body, and the legs. Then it comes to my favorite part. We have to draw the characters. and Mr. Bear, and Harry Monster, and a Miss Rabbit. Once you finish all the drawing, put all of paper together. Then use the stapler to bind the book. Now we are going to cut the book into 3 parts. Remember to start from the right hand side and stop at the margin. Finally, put on the book cover and make your own design. This is how I make my book. I hope you enjoyed the video today and looking forward to see your book. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.